Does your toddler act completely wired right before bed? Tonight, dim the lights and visibly act sleepy before you expect your toddler to. Your child's brain constantly searches for social cues. Yawning and slow behavior signal to your child safety and rest. And that boosts the natural release of your child's melatonin, the hormone responsible for getting their body ready to sleep. I'm Jonathan, creator and narrator of the audiobook bedtime series called Yawnimals. We're giving away one free audiobook per video to a follower who comments the word yawn below. Follow for more.